good, my dear. I'm good. I'm fine. Biswa. For now, it's okay. Where are you watching from, Biswa? Where are you from? That's good. Are you popular? I see Biswa. Ajuma. Have you seen Lucy Maya? I love her. Marie, have you seen the video? Davido, Ajuma, not give me love. Ajuma, Jamama, Didier, Ajuma, Ajuma, Didier, Yahada, Biswa, all of Biswa. Have you seen Biswa? Ayago ya ebo, ayago ya ebo, Kinko, ha ha, nilalele ajuma, ajuma jamongoma ye, ayo. Ding dong, ha ha. Ding conscience. Ayo ago ya eto. Nobody. Thank you so much, King Kosaya. Ayo ago ya eto. Arunkuma. Mbuso. Ale musole, muso de gran, king kong king, king kong king, ha ha. Ay wago ya eto, yoba. Hello. Hello, Ajakaiteleza. I was on the vibe. Ajakaiteleza. I was on the vibe. I see King Kong. King Kong. I was on the vibe. Keep on watching. Where's Makamugenda? I really appreciate your time. My people. I've been away, but no worry. Yeah. King Kong. Buso. Coco. Avisim Coco. Ay, King Kong Zion. I wanna sing to King Kong Zion. King Kong. Ha ha. Yeah. Jen Kanye. Bending and no King Kong. Bending and no King Kong. Ha ha. Jen Kanye. Zipo. King Kong. King Kong. Kokomea. Ulu Kimire. Ha ha. Jen Kanye. King Kong Zaye. Zipo. Ha ha. Galungo zipoli. Ay. Zipo. Ale zipo. King Kong bende. Lenia kai. Jen kai jambo. Are you dancing, King Kong? I jai. Ha ha. Lilina. Have you seen Lilina? And I got on your daddy. Ayo, beautiful Jenny guy. Your King Kong. Adi zipo. Ha ha. Have you seen my Lilia? Lily Maya. In the doom. Everyone can dance. Ayo, can dance. Ha ha. Melagala pinyoda. Jenka kanyo kanyo Lilina kanyo yen kanyo King Konsai kanyo there, thank you so much Wilson Tesoro Aye Elangalo pinyara Aking Jenko Ais Makamugenda zipom I see King Conscience on the vibe Lilicia Blume Corina Kimba Mayo Corina Lumina Have you seen you? Oh, Corina Ebali Western kind I ain't long Corina Lilina Yai Ooh Kaya Maros on the vibe Alongo Lilina Oh Lilina Aye Where's the Lilina Sama penyo Corina Imaka Avisin Jugure Hasanos on the vibe Oh mama I don't see Lilina. Where's Lucy Maya? I see Babi. Makamugenda the lion, the lamb. Just been. I just sing. Also remember it's Makamugenda with the traditional vibe. Kandai. I see snowman from Arizona. Naba. Everyone can you dance in Nyatiti? I just dance in Nyatiti. Can't be dance in Nyatiti. Michael, can you dance Nyatiti? Azipo. Alongo Ashley, Maxine. Have you seen Ashley Maxine? I'm from Kenya. Thank you so much, my guys. If you like the vibe, you have to clap your hand. Thanks so much for that. Also, remember subscribe on my YouTube channel. There's YouTube is Makamugenda. You can subscribe. You can check there, and also there's a what super chat. You can donate through super chat if you're watching on YouTube. Kenya, yeah, I'm from Kenya, and also there's a PayPal if you like the vibe. Also, you can tip through PayPal. That's upon you guys. Thank you so much. My name is Makamugenda, playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is a low traditional instrument. I don't know why my camera is not clean. I don't know. Let's continue the vibe for those who are watching. Keva Ben Nice on the vibe. I see Maya. Don't worry, I'll just give you that as the time goes. As Jumbo Jungle Outsider. Andy and Baba. Where's Winona? Our partner also in the vine. Outsider, where are you watching from? Zippo. Ido also in the vibe. I remember the traditional vibe with Maka. Edo. I seek a die. I let to go. Edo. I need you to go. I've been sinking back. To go, mama, to go. Black space also on the mark. Con King Concert. Edo can you to go. I wanna do go, yeah, to go. I see my guy Ernest Odero's on the vibe. How are you, my brother? How are you doing? Kadai also. I see Kadai, beautiful Kadai also on the vibe. Guten Morgen. There's a version here someone asked me to play. Baba Zavia. I see the flower finger. Jumbo, habari gani, mzuri sana. Mimi nipinda, jumbo, jai habat, jumbo habat, Just a greeting, a greeting. Have you seen my guy called Science? Ah, yeah, Jambo. Pinola. Jambo, Pinola. Ha ha. La Paricani. Nana. Jambo, Nana. I don't know where you are. Jambo, Mama. Kambala ne Collins. Ay, Jacobina, Osagava. Alison Jacobina. Ah, Jambo, Tibo. Sakrina. Avaricani. Oh, Zurizana. Oh, Agni. I vejo. No Kenya, ha ha ha. Timmy, have you seen Timmy? Timmy, Timmy, Wilson also there. I will. Why harder? I will. Willow, Madanga, Willow, 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 Madanga, Willow, Willow. Ha ha. Have you seen Antonino? Delisa. And also the guy by the name of Willow. Willow, Willow, Jamungo Mayawa. Willow, are you dancing? Are you jamming? Have you seen Makia? Yeah. Jambo. Antonini, Jambo. Jambo. Ikawa Dumora. Aye, Dumora. Deli, Deli dance, Deli jam, Deli bang, aye, Deli bang, ha ha. Yeah, Bilumba, I jambo, I jambo. Oh, Jambo. Ayo! Thank you so much, my people. My name is Makamugenda. Playing traditional instrument. This is an instrument I'm playing, guys. And also, this is a traditional instrument called Nyatiti from western part of Kenya. If you like the vibe, also remember subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Maka with M-A-K-S space Mugenda. I'm from Kenya. The instrument is from western part of Kenya, guys. And also, there's a super chat, guys. You can tip through, so you can donate through super chat if you like, and also if you're willing to tip, you can tip through PayPal or M-Pesa. Antonio, and also remember every day is a vibing day with Maka. Kimbali Monta. Delisa. This is a song say preacher. Hey preacher. This is a song say about preacher. He's talking about the preacher. A true preacher and a false preacher. I see the leader. We know no more channels on the mind. Lucy Maya. Zipo also watching. Yeah. Maxio, have you seen Reverend Samuel Winol? Reverend I don't know. Delaware. In conscience, where conscience of the mind. I don't know. Delisa. And I love somebody. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. Marcela was on the mind. Have you seen Clover? Did the Ali? I don't love you. I want to the limbo. Oh, to the bingo. And then to the bingo. To the bingo. Delis dog. Lavada. Kezida. Kelonda. Dance. Can you dance? African vibe with Maga. I've seen beautiful girl. Ah, yeah, Delhi. Delhi. Ah, yeah. I've seen Dallas on the mind. Love on the mind. Nyatiti Maga. Ah, Jamboma. Lover. I don't love you. Antonin girls, come with the limbo, two-step to the bingo. Antonin girls, come with the limbo. Ayo, Papa Champion. Have you seen Papa Champion? Thank you so much. Lord. I don't know. I want to do. And no lemon does and no yellow do. Thank you so much. My name is Makamugenda. If you're not subscribed on my YouTube channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Guys, you have to clap for Maka. Just clap if you don't like the vibe. Scroll, please. It's Makamugenda. The instrument is called Nyatiti. Anto, thank you so much, my guy. For those who are watching on YouTube, subscribe also. Remember to remember to share the vibe. Have you seen Nyatase? I don't know if it's Nyarasembo. Antonio Solomon, Antonino. If you know the song, you can sing with Maka. Sing with Maka. Karao Solomon. Lucima Kim J. O'Sullivan Asubi Anthony Delisa Have you seen King Kong? Have you seen King Kong? King Kong Giants. Have you seen King Kong? Anthony Dalis. Have you seen Lana? Mtoto wa muganga. Amependa muziki. Amependa muziki. Have you seen Sabo? And Get it. I wanna marry I'm using I'm oh young spending no mtoto wa muganga father native doctor, the daughter of native doctor. She will not with musician. Have you seen that girl? Analiponiona kwa mara ya kwanza nilifurahi. Analiponiona kwa mara ya kwanza nilifurahi. Anytime you see beautiful lady by the name Anna, say Anna, yeah, yeah. Ayo, Anna, wololo. Mick Osoneva, Mick Ella, Anna, King Kosoyo, Anna, Anthony, thank you so much. Yatumulungu Anna, and we need to be Anna Mama. Our father, native doctor, the daughter of native doctor. She like to be with musician. How will it be? How will it to be Anna? Joan Ladino. How will it to be Anna Mama? Anna Michael and Michael. Mtoto wa muganga, mtoto wa muganga. Ando kangeni minu mare kumbori ngidi. Adio. Can you dance with Mark? Can you dance with Mark? Mike, I see Mike Ellis on the line. Mtoto wa muganga amependa wana muziki. Hey! Thank you so much. If you like the vibe, guys, you have to clap to Maka. Clap for Maka, guys. Janine, peace. Thank you so much for coming here for a while. Mugenda, thank you so much, my people. My name is Makamugenda, playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti. It's a Luo. Ken also in the vibe. I really appreciate your time. Everyone is watching, my people. I don't know how to say this. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, also you can tip through PayPal, and also there's a super chat. For those who are watching on YouTube, you can donate through super chat. And also there's a club on YouTube, Makamugenda, Maka Club. Mtoto wa mganga amependa mwanamuziki bwana. Sharon. Just 1 minute. Yes, for those who are watching on YouTube. Let's continue the vibe. Mia, I didn't thought so the wine. Latino, La Soya on the vibe. La la, yeah, Emilia, la la, yeah, Emilia also on the vibe. Ay, Makai, Emilia, can you dance? Have you seen King Kong Science on the vibe? Antonio. I'm totally confused. I'm totally confused when I think about Somalia. Emia. Money, money. Money, money. Tola. Money. Emia. Musanda on the line. Money, money. Money, money. Ayo. They preach to us, telling us money is evil. The same money we offer in churches. Ayo, I'm looking for money in my life. 6 pack without money, Musanda. It's like disability. Ayo, 6 pack without money. It's like disability, my brother. I'm looking for money. Relationship is money. Ayo. And some without money, my brother, you will suffer. Money, money, yeah, money, money. Relationship is money. Ladies like money, bro. Everyone like money. It's not about ladies. Tola. Keep on watching. That's I Just Survive. My name is Makamugenda. Let me play one song to this beautiful lady by the name Emily. I just want to give you Nicole also on the vibe. I just want to play for you something just small something. Are you ready for this? If you like the vibe, guys, also you can tip through PayPal. My name is Makamugenda, and also there's a YouTube channel. You can tip if you're watching on YouTube. You can tip through Super Chat. Okay. Emilia. Everyone will have to smile now. Stefan. Because this is a spiritual sound. Wise ponda maji. Luka on the mind. Lika. Guake. Mila. I have decided Maggie. I have decided to sing to Emily. West Jawaya nene kona lunge jubilai jaro sangu. Jawaya ayo. Oh Emi, ale Emi, yo pasa Emi, nine no na Emi, digi Emi, yo pasa. Where's Musonda, my guy? Magi Osoneva. Emi more beauty, digi, Lucimaya, Ridelba, Aturu, Magi Mama. Everyone can love Everyone come along. Musanda, where you? Jawaya, yeah. Jawaya, hey. Ole emi, emi, avizim emi. Musanda, emi. Going King Conscience on cinema. I wanna Nyani, hey, Nyani. You know, beautiful lady like Emily, they were not born. They were created on Monday when God is alive. Kanyo, 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 Musada Maima. Karatuni Chennawe. Yawa chalrede, Glinda, Musanda igwe, Jawaya, Fidelo Buddha, Jawaya Buddha, Fidelo Buddha. My enemy. I need somebody. Moka. I need somebody. I don't know. This someone is King of Science. I need somebody. Jawaya Fidel, are you ready? I need somebody. Yeah. I need somebody. I don't know if it's losing my I need somebody. Joan Latino. Dance with Emily. I've been on glory, darling. Oh, yes, sir. Thank you so much, my people. My name is Makamugenda, playing traditional instrument. This instrument I'm playing for those who join now. This instrument is called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is a low traditional instrument. Anna Mushi, how are you? Check. Yeah, so subscribe on YouTube if you like the vibe, and also you can do what? Lamak also on the vibe. How are you? You can subscribe, yeah, on YouTube, and also you can donate in super chat. Jawaya tonango baba. King Conscience also on the vibe. I see Emmy. Thank you so much, Emily. And also, if you like the vibe, you can tip PayPal. It's upon you. Omera. Yeah. This song says some. Hey, let me take water. You know English, go with water. Have you seen a deer? Wow. Kabila. Kabila nene buda. Kabila. Lumbo. Lumbo. Kabila Binena Lumbwa, Honorable Rankai. Bizu. Hey, Emily, thank you so much, Kiko. Someday Subakumakai. Someday Subakumakai. Talking about I meet two people from America. I meet two people from Canada. I meet two people from Kenya. Anusha. I meet Aleko. I meet two people from Texas. Emilaye, Moyolo. Milodum. Aye, zero by Kobila Ozonama. I meet to my brother from here. Alumbua, Matai, Kanyarindare. Music will bring happiness. Music will bring happiness. I'm a sing special life. Hello, yeah. Chalo, chalo, vale. Thank you so much, chalo, vale. Where's Winona from Arizona? Amazing spell. Thank you, Emila. Nami Dingo, science, Dingo, yeah, Dingo, Stepa, Kombila, la shonda malo. Losing my mama, can you dance? Chalo. I am decided to go back to my ancestors. Back to ancestors. To motherland. Music from motherland. Can you? Walala. All I was on the vibe. Keep on watching. It's Makamugenda, just a vibe. Me, I don't want to talk too much. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. If you're not subscribed on my YouTube channel, just subscribe. It's Makamugenda. Maka is M-A-K. Green Eye. Also on the TikTok. Green Eye. Hello. This one you have just start shaking your head. Just see on the vibe. Have you seen Vitalik, my God? Thank you so much, Lucio. Vitalika. Have you seen Diva? I want everyone to dance, please. I want everyone to dance. Lana. Laningo. I want everyone to dance now. Where's Winona? Dasina.
Minana yae. Tumatingo tumadi. Tumatingo tumadi. Kachumo Arizona. And yeah. Nesairi no mondi.
Hey, have you seen no mondi?
Kalungo joa.
Ay, Ochi.
Kalungo joa.
Koa.
Beautiful Winona.
Ha, Leza.
Beautiful Winona. If you sleeping on a jungle, man, do you boogie? No pogo maga.
Lana.
Ha ha. Hello Lana. Hello Lana. Nothing you do it. Oh, do it.
Baba. Ha ha.
Lano do it.
John Latino.
Waba. Waba. You man do it. Go do it. Go do it.
Ha ha. Yeah. Zabib Zabib.
Katumorumi.
Hello Zabib.
Ni ae saru. Binona yae.
Ha ha.
Hello, hello.
Ha ha ha. Radak. Song for my son, Juana Valentino.
Pum, pam, pam.
Moria. Radak on the bar. Valentine. Ha ha. Have you seen Valentine Coco Osonova?
Aye. Wanna see you, Valentine?
I wanna see Valentine. Have you seen the baby?
Wanna see you, Valentine?
Yeah. Have you seen John Valentine? If you like, can you clap your hand?
Abro.
Alfonso.
Albo.
Have you seen New Mona?
Happy time to you,
Valentine.
I wanna see you. Nine. Winona,
Aye.
Winona,
Hello. Ha ha. Yeah.
Karatumbi Jana.
Have you seen Seka? Kaleba. Ha ha.
Yawatumbi Diera.
Cabello.
Ladi Kumbale. Wepa. Winona Yawa. Siri. Jonathan.
Latia.
Yaw.
Ha ha. Vitali on the bar.
We gonna dance together.
Ha ha. Thank you so much, Sabibia. Ha.
Kawatumninga. Go down low, Nyatiti.
Where's Latia? Bonnie. Bonibo, mindset on the
Susie, I see Susan, Susie, I wanna call you,
Nico Cardi. Atieri nishinde hapa. Nico Cardi. Thank you so much, my people. Mine is just vibing. Thank you so much if you like the vibe. It's Makamugenda. Also remember to subscribe on YouTube. Have you seen this? Hey, Crystal Soul. Also the vibe. Langa. Haha. Then someone is called Nyatiti Alexander. Nyatiti. Have you seen Alexander? Crystal on the If you believe in Yahweh, just say amen, because this is a vibe. I have decided. Have you seen Joy?
Viviana dancing,
Karinga,
Adila dancing,
Boniku,
Bunika,
Buniku,
Buniku dancing,
Zabia,
Miela, Nyatiti,
people choice,
Miela, Nyatiti,
baby,
Alexa dancing.
If you believe in Yahweh, just say amen.
I have decided to preach Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh.
King Conscience, well, let me tell you something.
Yahweh, Money Yahweh, Boniku Yahweh,
Victorino,
Yahweh, Money Yahweh,
Zabi,
Yahweh.
Let me tell you what Yahweh did.
Yahweh made my enemy to suffer long.
King Conscience,
Yahweh gonna make your enemy to suffer long.
Zabibia,
Yahweh gonna make
your enemy to do what? Aye,
to suffer long.
Yahweh, Yahweh. Let me recharge the bundles. For those who are watching on YouTube, just 1 second, please. Yahweh, don't stop. Tang Sheng. Run Tang Sheng. Yeah, I have a super chat guys on YouTube, and also you can join the club on YouTube, and also wow, Salam Ranta. How are you, bro? Yeah, I speak English, bro. I'm a Luo. You know, English is our mother tongue. Da number one. Sing about Yahweh. Susan told me that I have to continue with that song, Yahweh. When Yahweh decide, nobody can stop. I never heard you speaking. Oh, who said that? How did you know? And we have never met. Let's continue the vibe, guys. My name is Makamugenda. If you like the vibe, subscribe on my Twitter. It's Makamugenda. Maka is M-A-K-S space Mugenda. And also the name of the instrument I'm playing is called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is a low traditional instrument. These are there's a guy told me, Maka, you have to repeat that song of Yahweh.
Adios. The number one. I have decided. I have decided. I have decided. Let me drag this pistol, bro. Let me drag the TikTok pistol just 1 second. I got it wrong. I have to wait just 1 second. Now I got it. Let's continue. I'll start it again. Edo. If you believe in Yahweh, if you believe in God, this is your song. This is your song, my brother. This is your song, my sister. Hey, hey. Have you seen it? Lord. Have you seen King Konsaya? Also, we can sing together. If you like this song, we can sing together. Let me translate for you this word. It means something good, something nice. Karabe, karabe. Defense force, can you say? Karabe, karabe. Mr. Elde. Karabe, karabe. Mentor. Have you seen Rosella? Karabe, karabe. Karabe means something good. Karabe, karabe. Ayo. I have decided. I have decided to mankind. Yeah. Yahweh, 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 God is love. Yahweh, 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 morning Yahweh, evening Yahweh, Yahweh, lantern Yahweh, hey, the word of Yahweh never ends. Yahweh made my enemy to suffer long. Nayuma, Yahweh, Abisimusimaya, Yahweh, Big Yahweh, Nabila, Yahweh made my enemy to suffer long. Yeah. When Yahweh love you, King conscience. When God love you, nobody can stop your blessing. Have you seen just nobody will stop our Lord. I have decided to preach the gospel. I have decided. Chris Mori Mori tiriri tiriri dong dong tiriri tir Mori 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 Ay Mori. There's a guy by the name Chris Mori. There's Makamugenda guys playing traditional instrument. If you like the vibe, just keep on watching, keep on smiling, bro. Motto, you know you can't buy happiness. You can have money, but you can't buy happiness, my guys. So there's a place where you get that happiness as long as you have it. Thanks so much, Winona. Thank you so much, my baby girl. I normally smile every day, guys. Yeah, morning. Embrace Sienna. Thank you so much. Drill the Vonix. Have you seen the Vonix? I see also King Kong dance. Hola, unaonekana. Hao watu wanakuona bro. Nishatoa hiyo kamera. Hali wanaongea. Lusimaya, what are you laughing? Where are you laughing? Roba. I see Lusimaya is... I'm dead. Ayo! Have you seen my guy? Kore Kulushia, kore, Driwa, kore, ay. I wake up in the morning, Christiania. Have you seen Alexander? Kore, Winnie. Melia. I say I to my Lord. I say I to my Lord. Have you seen God is love? Even I don't want to laugh. I don't want to laugh. Listen, Maya, I don't want to laugh. Listen, Maya, you don't have to be keen like that. If you like the vibe, guys, have you seen him? Zikaos on the line. Regions on the line, just keep on watching. DJ Will Mama Corner. Have you seen DJ Will? Mother told me DJ Will. Mother told me we know that. Yeah. When you meet so good people, when you met so good people, good people bring happiness. Bad people, bad people, bad people. They bring you memory. They bring you memory. Have you seen Nadia? Mama told me, DJ Will. I need some sound effect from DJ Will. Will I? Diggy, bang. And I sing your mama, bet. Have you seen Pezze? Have you seen Queen Rosane? Zikulatra. Oh DJ, oh DJ, yeah DJ, ayo, Jala never slept. If you are sleeping, Jah never slept. If you are struggle, Jah never struggle. Makamugenda, Jah never slept. Bread of the war, Jah never died. Jah never died. Jah never slept. If you are sleeping, don't think Jah is sleeping. Jah never. Have you seen your light shine, my God? Mama told me, ayo, Melly. I'm well on the way. Where's DJ? Have you seen Just Side? Thank you so much, my people. My name is Makamugenda. Just vibe with Nyatiti. Have you seen Lucy Maya also watching? Keep on watching. For those who are watching on YouTube, TikTok, I really appreciate. I don't know how to say this. And also the only and the one and the only instrument is called Nyatiti. It is a low traditional instrument, guys. If you want to learn, also I give classes. Also, if you want to buy the instrument and you are serious for you and your family, bro, thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Jalite, I'll share with you some photos. You will see. Just keep on watching Al Malika. Gabriela Fatima Al Malika, the queen. Have you seen Sassy? This is a traditional bit of chanting. No longer Juma Bondo Magai. No longer Juma Bondo Magai. No longer Juma Bondo Magai. I see your light. I see your light. Melia, there's a beautiful lady by the name Winona. Wago Kondo. Ayo, Sofa Osa. Vadimai. Soul Killer. Vadimai. Uncle Jeffy was on the bar. Abeli pinya iwagi kosa chungu mala. So killer. Jalacha. Adima. Adino. Have you seen my guy, Netanyahu? Have you seen Jalai shine on my people? Soul killer. Have you seen Soul killer? Have you seen Soul killer? Lozimaya. Bending no now we know him. Kuku traditional. Go that way. Go that way. Abundance souls on the bar. Abundance on the bar. Have you seen your name? Mickey, are you dancing this one? Can you dance this one? Hello? Let's see this. Palm wine. Sabenia. Palm wine. Hello. Have you seen me Bula? Let me call on Mickey. Let me call on Mickey. Palm wine is not water. Lozimaya says à toi. Kota Utaranja Nyarpam Toto. I wanna jam with Mickey. I wanna jam with Mickey. I wanna sing to Mickey. I wanna jam with hello. Have you seen Nyatiti somewhere before? Little Lima. Trillia house of mine. Ayo, Iselu, Rilu, Ayelu, Ayo, goodbye, Mickey. Have you seen Mickey? Mickey is a low, I'm a low, guys. Thank you so much. My name is Makamugenda, playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti. If you like the vibe, you can subscribe on YouTube. Also, if you like, you can tip through PayPal. All this super chat. Also, you can donate something small in my super chat. Yes, continue the vibe. My name is Makamugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A Mugenda. Thank you so much. Mickey. One love, one love. You know, we are one people. Tiny House on the vibe. There's a song here, guys. And also remember, after this, I'll be showing you the view of the beach. Let me show you. Just 1 second for those who are watching. Just be patient. Be patient. I know you want music, but I want to show you the view. Beach have changed because of high tide, guys. You see this? This is a beach, guys. Just 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Yeah. After this, guys, I'll just take you along. You see how beach is beautiful. But the funny thing, things have changed here, guys. Yeah, let me show you. Let me tell you that everything have changed now. There's a lot of water. There's a lot of, what the fuck? Everything have already changed. 1 second. Unataka Nyatiti, you don't want to see. You'll just see. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Today I'm with you here. Don't worry, today I'm with you here. Let's continue the vibe with Makamugenda. Yeah. Ayo. Emma. Dagio. Have you seen Bella? Also watching? George! Julie Shira! Julie. Bending no Julie. Julie. Belong. Julie. Julie. Samila. Karembo. Nanzi Mayo. Before the Maro. Oh, Julie. Julie. Alongi Julie Makai. Umalungo Julie Makai. Nancy. Julie. Can you dance? Have you seen the Julie? It's a vibe. Thank you so much, my guys. My name is Makamugenda. I see Nancy also watching from Canada. If you like the vibe, subscribe on YouTube. It's Makamugenda, M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Also, you can tip through PayPal or M-Pesa. And also, there's a super chat. Let's continue.
Have you seen Mikide? You know that's a big name. You have to call it with some motion. Mikide. Where's we know? Nancy is on the mind. Nancy. Dolama. I heard some people say that I don't sing in my language. Jennifer, Amanda, bending in the window, home Peter, have you seen the sign? And you dance kanungo, hey, hey, you need dance kanungo. Little Lima, do you know kanungo? We know the kanungo, Mikida, Antonia. Anthony, can you dance kanungo? Blonde, can you shake you kanungo? Thank you so much, Ashla. Can you dance kanungo? Anungo Anthony, Lijo, Anungo Anthony, have you seen beautiful? Where's Mikida? If you like you can if you like you can smile, and then I can smile. If you like you can dance, like you know that. If you like you can bang, beautiful I'm gonna do my nothing. When you're gonna be Pablo Andrea I see beautiful lady in the house. Lola, 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 Lola. Antonia Lungi. I say hi to Winona from Arizona. Where are you, Mickey? Mickey. And you Mickey. And you Mickey. Ashley. Thank you so much, oh, Anthony. Mikila. Ayo. Nansa. Yeba. Melia. Oh, Maria.
Amma Maria, Amma Maria, Andrea Duma, 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 Yaba, Yaba Bangba. If you like, just fill up your heart. Yes, ayo, Kichoma, ayeba, Guadalupe, what are you singing? You enjoy, don't Lola, I was on the vibe. What I'm singing, I'm jamming, bro. I don't know what I'm singing. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. It's just a vibe, bro. Also remember the instrument is called Nyatiti. I'm singing Nyatiti now. Yeah, I'm playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti. It is a low traditional instrument. If you like the vibe and you're watching on YouTube, please, you can donate something on my super chat, please. And also there's a PayPal. It's good. Let me play one song to Duma, 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 Duma. Thank you so much. Limo. Avis Ragia. Flow. Please smile, please smile. I want to see Flow. Just smiling. Alego, Slim G, beautiful Druma, beautiful Druma. Oh, Slim G, Asimakai. Yeah, why Maka? Slim G ask me Maka, why sing to Druma? Oh, Johnny wanna see Druma, 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 oh, Druma, Alungo Anthony, little limb, I Anthony, flow. When you flow like a timber, you are song like a timber, you are song like a timber. Druma, Druma, aye, Longo Anthony, ha ha, come Rejo come, yeah, Rejo come, little Lima, look Lucy Maya, Lucy, Nona, ayo onye duma Antone ayo alungu ha ha digi mama digi mama digi mama Rigo Roja Betongova Monica Dasonya and you dance to Anthony. Please dance with Anthony. Wow! Adieu! Adi, 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 adi. Wow! Oh, adieu, go to me. Ayaba! Ayaba! Just 1 second for those who are watching on YouTube. Just 1 second, please. 1 second, please. Lola. Song Omera Flow. Thank you so much. Keep on watching my Makamugenda. Man. Song Omera Flow. Thank you so much. Keep on watching my Makamugenda. Man Naga. Also the Man Naka. Just 1 second for those who are watching on YouTube. For those who are watching on YouTube, you have a big challenge. Let's continue. Align on. I'm with him. Sando boy. The Pesh, I know you. Lila. Ngano penyo magongolo Bita Kimani, I'm from Diani. Yeah. I wanna play something. I wanna play something. Imani, Pita Bamba. You know, I didn't know so in the bar. I be Sintiana, Kimya, Pinona Yai, Jungles, Pinona Malu, Yatiaka, Ayo, yes, I'm born again. Johnny Pryor, nothing G4. I'm really happy to see G4. Guten Morgen. Yongos. I am a Yongosi, Yongosi, can you dance? Yongoma, Arasa, Pinala. I ikonyo guitar, ikonyo guitar. Alunge, diplomacy. Lion has got Almadani, Yongosi, Aldabai, yummy, if you like it, ayo, Gikonyo, on fire, Nyatiti fire, Wamilo, on the fire, Alme. Simon, Lionel back. Where's the alternate? I've seen Jamaica live. It's a wonderful vibe. Thank you so much. If you like the vibe, just clap your hand. Why are you not clapping? Why? How you mark? I'm fine. You know, Jones, I'm fine. Thank you so much, Giko. If you like the vibe, also you can tip through PayPal, and also there's a super chat for those who are watching on YouTube. You can donate something, guys. And also remember, subscribe on YouTube. My name's Maka, playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti. That lady in the white trouser. That's a song I want to play for you. That lady in white trouser. That lady in white trouser. ITC. Feeling long time. But young horse, Julie Chicon, Julie Chiron. Yes! That lady in the white trouser. That lady in white rosa. That lady in white color. Say thank you so much, Kenny. Get right. Shiro dance, Shiro. Get right. That lady in the white rosa. That lady in white rosa. First time I met that lady in the white rosa. Along the river. Oh dear do. Oh dear do. Oh dear do. Yeah. Oh dear do. Oh dear. What? Oh dear do. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear daddy Christina. Nyatiti me mol gariza. Musi seme ni dumba. Show my busy niggas. Hey. Ime oja tali gama. Rita Bissau. How are you, Bissau? Bissau, Bissau. Vera, thank you so much. Vera, thank you so much. Adieu. No coma. Yo Vera, Masha, Allo. Adriana, Alungo Vera, Vera, oh Vera, 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 Commando. Have you seen my people? The machine. The machine. To me. Ayo. Naomi mama. Naomi dance. Naomi jambo. Abe bodame. Abe boyengi. Abira. Craio sonoma. Avisin Vira Maskalenko. The machine also never. Can I like this song, guys. And also remember the instrument is called Nyatiti. Glad. Get the mogolo. Madubari. Anna. I'm looking for Anna. Tete Mongolo, have you seen Anna? Anna, Anna. Have you seen Anna? Ooh, Anna. Have you seen Kirai? I'm looking for Anna. Tete Mogo, Madumari. Where's Ghana? Yeah, right, bending no Anna. Bending no Lucy, where are you? Dodo Muganga. I'm a binda mana music. I'm a binda man. Bad girl. I'm really sorry, bad girl. I'm really sorry. I'm praying for you, bad girl. Diana. Jojo Muganga. I'm a binda mana music. I'm a binda mana music. I'm a binda mana music. Anna liponiona kwa mara ya kwanza nilifurahi. Anna liponiona kwa mara ya kwanza nilifurahi. Anna was happy when she's in Maga. Jifosa! Ayo! Can you feel like Mogol? Tete Mogol! I got it, where you got it. Did it. Have you seen that? Before 7. Kasuha I'm a binda music. I'm a binda music. Ayo, Baba ke night Miranda. Hey. Ayo, digi. Canyo. This is Maya. Nana. Miranda was on the vibe. Lucy Maya is watching. And also Tete Mogo. Mogolo was on the vibe. Addison, my brother. Addison. It's just a vibe maker with Makamugenda. If you like the vibe, also remember subscribe on YouTube. It's Makamugenda. There's a super chat, guys. You can do something. Jakwaja Bunde, ayo, the grandson of the god. Also, if you like the vibe, you can tip through paper. Let's continue. If you know this song, say Victoria, yeah, Victoria, oh Victoria, oh Victoria, Victoria, Addison Progetto. Victoria. Victoria. Where's Diana? Victoria. Hello. We know now. They like this. Victoria. Victoria. Babe, God's power. Babe. Ali. We know. Mogol. I wanna travel a long way from Maria. Diani. Yeah, I wanna live to let me go down. Hey, hey, Keri dancer, Keri candy, Keri smile, Keri man, Keri baby, Kera that. Ha ha. Have you seen a door at next door? Kera ha ha. I wanna travel a long way from Maria Nimaga. I wanna live to Lake Victoria. Yeah. To see a beautiful lady at your foot. To see a beautiful lady at your foot. To reach at the book. Lady with the big bang. Lady with the big mind. Ha ha. Lady with the big mind. Adiambo, adiambo. Ayo. Oh, Victory, let them go. My number. Have you seen Petras on the wall? How did you? Mosquitoes. Kawarinde. Junior. When you meet a man away from a Kizum. When you see a man all the way from Kizum. You do bad, you know, I'm happy to be a pajama. Nalula grass, nalule ye, nalule dance. Didn't know what ayo. I wanna travel a long way from Diani. I wanna live to Lake Victoria. Yeah, thank you so much. It's Makamugenda. If you like the vibe, thank you so much for clapping. For those who are watching on YouTube, subscribe. Don't leave there without subscription. Yawa. Subscription, one. Subscription. Yawa. Tek Maratari. Thank you so much. My name is Makamugenda. Also remember to check on YouTube, subscribe. Maka M-A-K space Mugenda, playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is a low vibe. That one. And also, guys, if you like the vibe, remember to share the vibe. Also, Petras, also the vibe. Thank you so much. My name is Makamugenda. Instrument Nyatiti. If you like the vibe, also, you can dip. Too bad you can't take jewels. This thing people have telling me, and I don't know how to open it. Sean, today I want to look how I can open this thing. I don't know, because I think I have opened all Super Chat, Club, and these jewels. I don't know how to do it, but I'll ask. You need the watch hour. Okay, watch hour, and also those gifts from those the donation from Super Chat and Clubs also. Yes, let's continue. If you know the song, Lindy Soy. Chalo, chalo. When I say Adam, Charlie Osama, Jalute, Ibamo, if I say you come in from the party to dance with my girl, Charlie, Julius, come the Agi chululu, agi chululu, yawa yari chululu. Where is Agi? Where's Agi? I wanna see you going down, 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 down like Elise. Where my girls at? Come close, I wanna see you going down, down on the floor. If I say you coming son, to dance with me, to shake with me, to jump with me, to jump with me, to shake with me, arriba ye, abia, nagi Angelica. Nagi dance, the lady side, the lady beauty, the lady beauty, beauty, nothing beauty, Mamoro Jadum, Miranda, Azim, thank you. Awora nyasa, awora nyaseje. That's it. Let's go to war. Have you seen again? Chandra on the mama. My time is now getting over. Hey, Kathleen, how are you? Yeah. Hey, Black. Thank you so much, Lindia. Linda side. Jagure, I just say I want. Where are you watching? Where are you watching from? You don't know, have you seen Yazidi? Doctor. Lisa Atiano. Have you seen Yazidi? Hello. She was born in a Lagos City. A Lagos City. Nyaseje Kandeka Lindy Sai wanna Nyaseje Debia they wanna see Nyaseje our war Nyaseje they wanna see Nyaseje our war Nyaseje oh war Nyaseje alinge Nyaseje ha ha Seje 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 Tobero Seje Debia are you dancing? Are you dancing? Can you shake it? Wakatungo, Katungo, Katungo. Are you dancing, Lydia? Lindy ding, Lindy ding, Lindy ding, Lindy ding, Lindy side dancing, Lindy. We know not really. She's a landed beautiful lady from Seje. Odaku, aye. Odaku jamani Nyaseje. Odaku jamani Nyaseje. Dubi soup Nyaseje. Kumha. Mapi Nyaseje. Allah. Altumbe, adumbe, adumbe, adumbe. Aye. Nyaseje Kamuma Nyaseje Yawata Nyaseje Kamuma Nyaseje Awo Bana Furu Agilindi sa we don't wanna see Nyaseje Mangado Nyaseje Beautiful Nyaseje Zalane Nyaseje Dubis hoop aye Dubis pidi Nyaseje pidi aye Nyaseje pidi Miranda are you dancing? 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 Are you dancing yourself? We gonna shout to Nyaseje Wapinduri Nyaseje Wabianduri Nyaseje Anangala Dumu Nyaseje Nyaseje cham lunch hour Nyaseje or na lunch kende. Thank you so much, my people. My name is Makamugenda. I really appreciate your time. For those who are watching, I play traditional instrument from Luo community. The instrument is called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is a Luo Omera Luo instrument called Nyatiti. And also Cham Luo Lunch Yatewa number Nekanyo. Because I watch ni number 0720 0720 15 9271 Yatewa. Number manik screen kanyo ko sipo kinene. 0720 15 come on Yatewa with namna lunch kende 0720 15 9271 mane namba Yatewa kose inene. Let's continue, guys. I really appreciate your time. All my money are is shock. Yes. Yatewa anagoro dong koro let man ngoni segolo na Yatewa. Yatewa na iko nyathina nyoro. Nyathina no tho. Atemo recover. Yeah. Yathina no tho. Odak ye musambweni noda no so ye musambweni on sa karikadiwa uriyecha koro nyo uriyecha manage gole hospital bangina ike nyoro but then shida machu. So all is well. Let's continue. Agoyo mo zero kama Nyatewa. Guys, I want to play for you one song. Say Obongo bless me. Nyasai konya. I think you need to. Hey, Sean, what give him your lol. Sean, I want after this I will confirm that thing with jewelry. That I'll try. Mira, I can't take them yet. I'll confirm I'll ask someone to show me how to open that one. Let's continue. I want to play for you one song, and that one I'm going to call it the end of the vibe. Sharon, have you seen we know now on the vibe? King Cola. Terumi, the Nicky Boots. Leroy, yeah. Yeah. Sai Senior. Chris Pasian. Sangara. Dola. Ay, winona mama. Abisa Sangari. Awurinya seje. Awur bendi winja. Awurinya seje. Robin. Abisa Sangari. Robina. Lorena bundanga bunda tukolendo bunya. Ayo. Ronnie. Ayo. Domina longiga, Nyatiti zumbi. Don't vio sono mai, where Sangari, Maveri. We know. I wanna go. I win no bamba. By Gizzy. Let me show you the beach now. Just 1 second. I want to show you beach. 1 second. I want to show you beach now, guys. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. My name is Makamugenda. Maka with M-A-K-S Mugenda boy. Maka. Awurja ber. Ise dum kosin kami napewa. Oh, bam. Mielo hanga lagi monema pat na. Maka, my friend, how are you? Miranda, tell me. I wanna hear what you say now, Miranda. Tumpok na omeni lagi ni kita. Dongo yena. Just 1 second. Sama biru. Okay, let me show you. Just 1 second. Look. You see now? Yeah, you see. You see. You know, I watching. Yeah, so this the now the beach have changed. You see. This is how beach have changed now. That's how it changed. Right now, water is passing. I think, yeah, water is passing the other side. Yeah. So when you just come here in the evening, you will find there's a lot of water here. This Diani beach. Tatito Cuba. Tatito Cuba. Yeah, and the tree that I was telling you that have fallen, this thing, when I came very early in the morning, this thing, how deep is there? Very deep, my dear. You see, I told you this tree have fall. You know, I told you the tree have already fall down. According to the research, they say this tree have stayed here for 4 million years. You see. And this place, this is where I normally stream. Yeah, so there's still another one here. Yeah. So you see this bird, how old is you say it was? Yeah, there's a researcher who say this tree have been here for 4 million years. 4 million years. And now, for those old years, the tree have already do that. Have already collapsed, uprooted. Guys, thank you so much, my smoker. The storm, yes, there was a strong storm. It have been raining this side every day, raining. So, guys, I have to leave. Thank you so much for your time. May God bless you. I have to leave still. I have a lot of things to do. Nobody got hurt. Yes, nobody. Yeah, I think that happened in the night. Nobody died. Nobody. Thank you so much, guys. My name is Maka. That's the end of my streaming today. I don't know if I'll stream in the evening, but for now, I have to stop. Thank you. Goodbye.